Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off the alarm on your Casio F105. As you can see on our home screen, we have the time and date, and then we also have a few lines, so a symbol right here on the top left corner that signals the fact that the alarm is now on. So in case we want to have it deactivated, no symbol should appear right there. So what we want to do is to press the mode button once, and in our alarm settings we are going to press the button on the right, and we are going to toggle between different options. So if I press it once, I'm going to have the hourly beep. If I press it once again, I'm going to have both the alarm and the hourly beep activated. If I press it once again, nothing is going to appear on the top left corner, so that means that both are deactivated. So we have the alarm, the hourly beep, the alarm and the hourly beep, and now both of them deactivated. So in this position, I'm going to press the mode button, and as you can see, we have arrived once again in our home screen, and both symbols are now missing, so both functions are now deactivated. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to turn on and off the alarm on your Casio F105. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio F105, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, because you also want to learn how to set the alarm, how to use the stopwatch, and also how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display on this particular model. Once again guys, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, and I'm going to see you on the next one.